In this video I am showing you how you can make avatar profile picture on Facebook. So firstly what you need to do to firstly open your Facebook app and then tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. After that tap on the see your profile option and from here you can see your profile picture. Tap on your profile picture and here you can see the last option. In the most last option you can see the make avatar profile picture. Tap on the make avatar profile picture and it is loading your avatar. So here is your avatar. Now what you can do to from here is you have to simply open your avatar, and when you are on this page you can see the share button in the top right corner. Tap on this and here you can see the create post option and make profile picture. Tap on the make profile picture in the most bottom and now it is making your profile picture and loading your avatar. So here you have to select your pose. So let's see, you can select any of the pose in the circle, and now you can also preview this all this pose in the circle, and you can also select the background. In the most bottom you can see the background option, select background, and after doing all these things you can choose the poses, and after that you can tap on the next button in the most bottom, and now you can choose the timing, set as temporary profile picture. So you can choose click on the timing toggle button and you can choose the 1 hour, 1 day, 1 week or custom. Here you can choose the day from which you want to set as the temporary profile picture. You can choose the 1 hour, 1 day or 1 week. Let's see, I choose it as the 1 hour as my profile picture, and then tap on the save in the most bottom. And now when you go back, now you can see your profile picture. Your temporary avatar profile picture is here. So that's that how you can make avatar as a profile picture in the temporary mode. So that's that how you can do this. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get notifications of such new informative video. And also don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Have a good day.